Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, here on the balcony of the New York Stock Exchange, and I'm in a great mood. No, it's not because I'm feeling that great. It's because it's about that time. That's right, it's a Thursday afternoon. One more full day left until the weekend. A holiday week is next week, and guess what? I need a drink. That's right, it's almost 4 o'clock. The market's there about to close, and that can only mean one thing. It's happy hour in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they cut early losses as strong domestic data overpowered concerns over continued signs of slowing growth in Europe. And yes, also earlier weak domestic data. Now, let's first begin overseas. Overnight, the Eurozone had its November Composite Purchasing Managers Index, better known as PMI, come in at 51.4. That was below expectations and below October's final read of 52.1. Also, China, its PMI falling to 50. That's the break-even level that separates expansion from contraction. Remember that, 50. And adding to early morning woes, we had the U.S. initial jobless claims figures. They saw weekly claims come in at 291,000. That was down more than expected. And even worse, continuing claims. It was at its lowest level since 2000. That's right, the year 2000. And the consumer price index for October, that was unchanged. But have no fears, guys. The rebound is here in the form of the Philly Fed, which came in at 40.8 for November, more than double the expected 18.3, and get this, its highest level since December 1993, 21 years ago. Also, existing home sales hitting 5.26 million, and leading indicators gaining 0.9%, both beating expectations. Now, you team that with corporate news, a steady greenback. That's also the U.S. dollar for those of you that don't know. And oil prices rising, and you have yourself the following type of session where advancers were just a step ahead of decliners right here at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's now take a look to see how the markets closed out this volatile trading session. And on the corporate front, Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba making waves again as it will sell its first ever bond today. A jumbo trade expected to be around $8 billion in size and could extend to be as much as $10 billion. With pricing expecting this afternoon, the bond offering comes just 2 months after the company's record IPO. And then retail, Best Buy seeing one of its best days as it posted results for the third quarter that beat expectations. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink. One more full day left until the weekend, and then we have a holiday week. It's going to be a busy one, I think. But until tomorrow morning, grab yourself that drink. Drink it up. That's right. I'm James Sweeney from ModernWallStreet.com.